A judge's ruling today will not end the fight over an abortion clinic in Sharonville. That court ruling as efforts to restrict abortions continue. Night on Your Side reporter Tom McKee is live to explore both sides of this issue. Tom.
Well, Clyde, the current case involves the Women's Med Center in Sharonville. The Ohio Department of Health ordered it closed for allegedly violated the law. The center fought to stay open because of unique services provided to women. Today, the judge agreed with the center, at least for now. Judge Jerome Metz didn't waste time in making his decision Friday as attorneys for the center and the state of Ohio listened.
The court finds that a suspension of the order of the Department of Health is appropriate in this case.
The main issue was whether closing the center would cause irreparable harm. Attorney Jennifer Branch said yes, because it's the only area facility performing late-term abortions.
The example we gave the court was women who late in their pregnancy realize that there is a problem and that their pregnancy is going to fail and they need to have an abortion now later in term than they would have otherwise known.
But Right to Life's Paula Westwood had a quick counter to that argument.
The only person that's going to have irreparable harm if they close would be the abortion provider. This isn't a business for him, and he profits from preying on women as a businessman and from aborting their children.
Judge Metz agreed with the center.
Irreparable harm has been shown by the appellant here.
The Supreme Court's Roe v. Wade ruling made abortion legal decades ago, but has been challenged by new laws restricting access to them. One requires clinics to have a transfer agreement with a hospital in case of an emergency.
That shut down a clinic in Toledo, and it also made it difficult for a local clinic here in Cincinnati because they had a transfer agreement that had to be rescinded. Right
to Life's Paula Westwood says efforts will continue to back new legislation in Ohio and the other 49 states.
Until a court case goes to the Supreme Court for them to revisit Roe v. Wade, the only thing that can be done will be laws that work around it to help women and babies.
Now, appeals in this case could take as long as a year to a year and a half, and the center, as we said, will remain open during that period.